Carbohydrates, fat and protein are macronutrients, which are the nutritional components of food that the body needs for energy and to maintain the body's systems and structure. Carbohydrates are the body's primary fuel, providing energy for your muscles and the central nervous system during movement and exercise. Carbohydrates provide 45% to 65% of the calories we need every day. Protein is essential to biological processes in the body. Protein provides structure to the tissue, cell membranes, blood plasma, bones, tendons, ligaments, muscle, hair, nails, skin, and organs. In addition, protein is involved in metabolic, hormonal and enzyme systems and helps maintain our body's acid-base balance. Fat is essential for the body as an energy reserve, insulation and protection of your organs, and absorption and transport of fat-soluble vitamins.